Hello friends, happy to meet you in another video. Sathish again, your business and success coach. In this video, I'm going to share you what are the 3 ways to make more money out of your business. Thereby, you can grow your business from current level to next level. The number one way, sell more to your existing customer. Do you know that 70% of the sales happening from your existing customer, the repeat customers? You take ice cream retail shop. You take cabs like Ola or Uber. You take cinema as a profession industry. You take book retail stores, seminars, training workshops. 75% of the customers are repeat buyers. So, always ensure when a customer comes to you, you leave them with not only the satisfaction, one step above is delight, and the third level is the transformational experience. You always have to give the transformational experience, the wow experience when they go out of your shop or they go out of your program, everything. So sell more to our existing customers. 75% of the customers are repeat buyers. Number one way. Number two, sell more frequently to the same customer. If you happen to see the service provider like Airtel or Vodafone, they actually bombard you with more products. They cross sell more number of product. So when you are into business like service or you are selling a product, you should have a variety of products so that you can sell more number of product or services to the same customer. If you are in the training industry or service industry, you should have a bigger funnel, so bigger product lines and services, so that you can sell more product to the more frequently to the same customer. The third reason, the third way you can increase your business is sales, get more customer. Do you know that 95% of the business fails in the first 5 years? That's what Forbes statistics says. The number one reason behind the failure is lack of sales. Business equal to sales. Without sales, you cannot make revenue. Without revenue, you cannot sustain a business. Sales is the benchmark of any business success. So get that attention from the customer. Go get that what the customers require, market your product, package your product in such a way, get the attention. Follow the sales ladder so that you can acquire more number of customers. So if I have to summarize, the 3 ways you can make more money from your business is sell more to your customer. Number 2, sell more frequently to the same customer. Number 3, get more customer for your business. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, write it back to me or message me in my inbox. I will meet you with another video with interesting story. Thanks.